Okay. Now. How old is your sister, Teddy? Tell me in the comments below. And give this video a huge thumbs up. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm not done yet. I have to put more. Mom, me and my friend Jordan are the only kids that have a YouTube channel in the class, in our class, because we're in the same class, and she has a YouTube channel and I have a YouTube channel. We're the only ones that have a YouTube channel. Today is Sunday, 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 today is Sunday. This slime is a complete fail, I'm saying, because I need, should I add shaving cream or should I not? Comment down below what I should do with the slime. Should I give it away or should I keep it or should I keep it and do stuff with it? And you can comment down below what I should do with the slime.